Do you need to change the order of pages in a PDF without installing another app? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you rearrange PDF pages directly in Samsung Note. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Note app. Tap the Import PDF icon at the top of the screen. Select the PDF file you like to edit. Then tap Done. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Page Sorter. Now, simply press and hold a page, then drag and drop it to a new position. You can repeat this step for any other pages until they are in the order you want. When you are finished, simply tap the back button. Samsung Note automatically save your change. And that's how to rearrange PDF pages on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.